they tend to spread this myth of, oh, you don't need to speak the language. You just need to understand, because we are trying to learn the Arabic language to understand the Quran and to understand the Sunnah. Therefore, I don't need to understand. I don't need to be able to speak it. I just need to be able to understand when I'm reading. And this is from amongst the biggest nonsensical things that you can say. Because even Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Quran about the Arabic language, lisanun Arabi. So the reason why we call lisan as in tongue, that's the default meaning of lisan Arabi, and even language. If you go back to the root in the Latin, and where it comes from lingua, which means tongue. And so, as Ibn Khaldun, he says, language is something that is a trait in your tongue. Is something that comes out of your tongue. So it needs to be a firmly rooted trait in your tongue. You need to be able to speak it before anything. Likewise, the Arabic language, before the scholars that put an nahu like Abu al-Aswat al-Duali and Khalil ibn Ahmad and the scholars that are referenced in the Arabic language, before the Sahaba wanted to preserve the Quran, the Arabic language was a language, a lugha mantuqa. It was a pronounced language. It was used to speak it only. There wasn't no rules. It was barely being written, and only a few qabail, a few tribes of the Arabs, they used to write the Arabic language. And so when it comes to this myth of you don't have to speak the language, this qawl from many others that I just picked this one as an example. This qawl is what breaks that myth of, oh, you don't need to speak the language because you just want to understand the Quran and the Sunnah. Like